Hi, I'm Bar, and today I want to talk to you about advanced patching. Advanced patching is a part of our Puppet Enterprise Advanced offering and brings with it powerful and streamlined new patching features. We know that patching is a critical part of people's workflows, and keeping systems up to date is more important than ever before. Advanced patching brings with it an easy-to-use GUI, streamlined patching groups, and an easier way to define maintenance and blackout windows to ensure that you're always patching when you intend to be patching. To show you how to set this feature up and to walk through what patching looks like in Puppet Enterprise Advanced, I'm going to hand it over to Liam. Take it away, Liam.
Thanks for that, Bar. So here we are in the Puppet Enterprise console, and what we're going to do here is navigate to the overview page of the patching category. And in order to use the advanced patching feature, we'll first need to enable the advanced patching service, and we can do that by clicking on this button here, hitting confirm, refreshing the page. And now we'll give it a few minutes just to kick in and really launch the service. Okay, so now the advanced patching service has been enabled. We can go ahead and create our first patch group. So we're going to click on this button here. We're going to give our patching group a name. We'll give it a description as well. This is a Linux patching group. I'm going to go ahead and select our nodes. So we have a variety of options to select the nodes we want in this patching group. We're going to keep it simple today and just select from our node list. So let's put in rel here and select all of our rel nodes to patch. Let's just double check our selection here. We're happy with that. So we're going to hit next. And this is where you would assign a maintenance window if you had one. We don't have one today, so we're just going to hit next. And very much like the maintenance window, here is where we can assign a blackout window if we do have one. Again, this is optional. So for today, we're just going to go ahead and add the patch group. So this is going to take about a minute or so. So we'll come back in a minute or so and see our Linux patching group created. Okay, so it looks like our patching group has been created, and we can see here that we have 1 security update available and 10 non-security updates available. So now we're going to do the actual process of patching this particular group. So here we are back in the patching overview page, and as we can see, we have patch groups with updates available and the amount of servers that we have with patches available too. So in order to patch these servers, we're simply going to click the Apply Patches button here. We're going to give our patch job a description. We're going to select updates to apply. So we have an option here to just apply our security updates. For the purposes of this video, I'm just going to select all available updates. We also have the option here to select our reboot policy as well. Again, we're just going to keep it at the defaults. I should mention as well, we also have some advanced parameters based on the native package managers of the operating system. But again, we're just going to keep it simple today and not select any advanced parameters. So we'll hit schedule here. We'll just review what we've got. Again, we want to run this particular patching job now. We can schedule it if we want, but again, for the purposes of this video, we'll keep it simple. We'll hit review. We'll just double check everything is okay, and we'll run the patch job. Okay, so it looks like that patching job is completed. We can click on the job ID here, and it's going to provide us a summary of the patch job itself. And if we want to see what patches have been applied, we can click on one of the servers that have been patched. And here we can see a variety of packages that have been applied in this particular job. And that's the advanced patching feature by Puppet. Thank you and have a good day.